first way, but I kept that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all.
Hey, what's good? What's your poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know by the title, we are doing a slick back ponytail to the side, period. So I basically just started flat ironing my hair, so we just can get right into it, because let's do it. Okay, don't mind how puffy it is, because I don't know what's going on. It's just uneven and everything, so don't come for me in the comments now. Okay, dealing with my hair, it just be so complicated. Like, you don't never want to work with me, so it's gonna take a little minute. So I actually cut some of the clips out because I didn't want to bore y'all with it much. But yeah, I just basically just flat iron it first, and then when I start doing something else, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do. But just continue watching, and if I do something else that y'all need to know and I need to explain, I will explain it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification button, and that's just on period. I know it looked a little creepy because I keep staring, but I was watching a movie trying to pass time, and I didn't want to be bored. But yeah, don't think I'm trying to be crazy or nothing. I was staring at the movie, period. So don't come for me, period. Shake it, mama, shake it. Shake it, mama, shake it. Just a little dance break, just because, period. Do ooh do 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 ooh. Shake them shoulders, girl. Shake them shoulders, girl. Ooh. Just a little spin. Just a little spin. Looking cute. Period. This one I finished flat ironing my hair. I really like it when it's flat, but it be uneven. But yeah, deuces. Then I added Cantu hair oil into my hair. That's what I use, but you can use any kind of hair oil you want. Then I started parting my front part to get it all nice and neat. I actually use my edge control to straighten up the part. You'll see. I finished the parting process. I actually started on the bang and braided that down so it can be out the way and I can work on the back. I will continue to explain everything throughout the video. Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and turn on the notification button because I will be posting every week, period. As you can see, I started brushing my hair and started on just trying to foam it all the way to the back. And I started on my edges as well. And I added olive oil's freeze spray to foam it to the back, so when it get hard and just set, it will be in place and everything. Then I started working on the edge control and putting it on and everything, and started doing my edges on that side, which I really don't have to worry about after I do the edges. It's the other side I gotta worry about, so just stay tuned. After I got done with doing the edges, I actually added the freeze spray as well, so it can get hard and don't mess up. Gotta be more secure because the edge control, it don't be working for me. So yeah, and I blow dried it, and that's about it. Basically, all I did was add the freeze spray and blow dry it towards the back, so when it's time to put in a ponytail towards the back. So after I finished everything, I actually slicked it back and put it into a ponytail, sprayed it down, blow dried it again, and also brushed it. Same routine. And then started actually working on the front part of the bang and stuff after I finished. So that's what you see me doing. So just continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button as well. Thank you. Working on the bang, I actually re-flat ironed it so it can be actually flat. Hope you guys are enjoying y'all day. Make sure y'all comment down below and tell me how y'all day was and how you think I'm doing, and give me a rate 1 through 10. So after I finished flat ironing it, I brushed it down. Then I sprayed it with olive oil spritz, and I brushed it again, blow dried it, and I continued that same process until it got straight down and flat in the way I wanted it. So that's what y'all will see. So just continue watching, and yeah. I'm actually spraying the hair down so I can be able to mold it into the ponytail in the back. It's not gonna fit all the way, but that's what I was doing, and fixing the bang part. And also working on my edges as well, and spraying it again. So I know you guys see me redoing it over and over, is because some of the hairs was still messed up and I wanted it a certain way. So I kept trying and swooping the bang right, and I didn't have no clips. So I had to work with what I got. I hope you guys enjoying this video. Just comment down below how you think I'm doing. So doing a slick back but with the bang is very difficult because if you don't have the right stuff, it takes forever. So please be patient with me because I was having a fit for a minute and then I got it and I was like, okay, we getting somewhere. And basically it's just a little bit things you need for this video throughout this video as you've seen, and it's not that hard. Just gotta be patient with yourself is all. I wanted to do like a little curl on the side for my edges, but it was looking ugly, so I just did my edges regularly, but you'll see that later on. But I was just playing around with it. I wanted to see if it was gonna be cute. One side was bigger than the other, so I was like, I'm gonna just do my edges regularly. So that's what I did, and it still came out cute, but okay, yeah. I thought I'm actually finishing my edges at the end. I'm actually gonna spray everything down and blow dry it again so it can be in place, and that's just about it. Hope you guys liked the video and the finishing results, and comment down below how you think I did. Don't forget to turn on that notification button, and thank you for watching, period.